Hi, this is Jim Vasgard with Daktronics here at our booth at InfoComm 2026. We wanted to show off one of the products we're unveiling here this year, that's being our street furniture. Not a new concept, but we're using a 1.5 millimeter display system that's bright enough to compete in outdoor environments, but it's also in this enclosure to protect it from weather as well as harsh abuse from people being able to walk by and bump into it or hit the system. The display is a great opportunity to use the product for, of course, advertising, but we're seeing a lot of interest in education and corporate venues for wayfinding, digital signage promotion, as well as a way to communicate and provide safety alerts as well. Product, again, comes with the enclosure. It's protected from the weather, provides a parts guarantee access, and it's a great display system for any venue that needs to promote, communicate, or advertise for your venue. Check us out at www.daktronics.com or give us a call. We'd love to work with you and see how we can help you.